Hello friends, today I Manish Kumar Verma has going to make a video regarding a very important topic that usually comes in marketing examinations. So the name of the topic is elements affecting distribution methods. As you have seen on my channel, I have posted a lots of videos regarding marketing, and in my previous video I had discussed about what is the channel of distribution is all about. And now I'm going to discuss what are the elements that affects the distributions method. I have discussed few distribution method in my previous video, which were direct selling method, indirect selling method and double selling method. So what are the elements that affect these three methods are going to discussed by me in this video. So first is producer related matter. How the producers affect the channel of distribution. So according to producer related matter, the first is size of producer, which means if the size is small and selects the direct selling method, if the producer's size is small and he selects the direct selling method, so there will be the problem of cost. So he is only be depend on indirect selling. So he will only be depend on the indirect selling, because there are two processes, direct selling and indirect selling. And if the size of the producer is small, then instead of adopting the method of direct selling, he is only be depend on indirect selling if the size of the producer is small. Next is to willing to control the medium, which means if a producer has no power, no technique, no willingness to control the medium, then certainly his distribution process will surely will get affected. Okay. Next is managerial experience and capability. In India, person who are working in marketing sector, their capability, their experience are less as compared to the foreign people, because they are talented people. And why they are talented? Because the talented people who are born in India are not going to work in India. They will go to foreign for their respective work. So the talented brains of our country moves to foreign country. So we have not talented people. That's why managerial experience and capability are the producer related matter. Next is profitable and economic conditions or situations, which means for every product there are lots of producers, we all know, but profit positions of any producer and economic conditions of him are good, then it can affect the distribution process. If the profit position of any producer and the economic conditions of that producer is well and good, then it can affect the distribution process. So they can adopt any medium of distributions, but those whose conditions are not so good should surely go for the direct selling medium. So these are the fact of the matter as far as the producer related matters are concerned. Next, the product related matter. Under this, the first is durability. Means some goods life are just one day or 1 week. Those goods can't allow to extend the distribution process like vegetables. Second is weight. Some goods have high weight. So due to the lots of time, ups and downs of the goods are done. During the distribution process, lots of times the ups and downs of the goods are done. मतलब रख रखा होता है, उठा के इधर रखना उधर रखना. So they can be destroyed or scratched. So consumer will not buy it. For example, what are those kinds of goods like car, fridge, etc. So no extension is process is made. So weight is also the product related matter. Next is tantric nature, means जो तांत्रिक प्रकृति होती है. In India, those people who live are living who believes in God, who believes in tantric nature. So process of distributions can exceeds, मतलब कि आज नहीं आएगा, आज शुभ मुहूर्त नहीं है तो कल आएगा, तो distribution process increase हो गया. So these are also kind of things which plays an important role, which affects the distributions method. And next is competition, means pratiyogita. Due to the lots of producers, there is large competitions in the market, and new producers are also coming. So manufacturer shops manufacturer stops doing changes in the prices and keeps it constant. So below small producer couldn't able to increase their cost. So the small producers couldn't able to increase their cost, so they are moved out of the market. क्योंकि जो जो प्रोड्यूसर है, जो बड़ा प्रोड्यूसर है, वो तो अपना प्राइस रिड्यूस करके भी प्रॉफिट ज़्यादा कमा लेगा. लेकिन अगर छोटा प्रोड्यूसर अगर अपनी कॉस्ट कम करेगा, प्राइस कम करेगा, तो वो तो ज़्यादा कमा नहीं पाएगा क्योंकि उसकी सेल ही उतनी नहीं है. सो ड्यू टू द कॉम्पिटिशन ऑल्सो द एलिमेंट्स अफेक्ट्स द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशंस मेथड. नेक्स्ट कम्स द मार्केट रिलेटेड मैटर. अंडर दिस द फर्स्ट इज इंडस्ट्रियल एंड कंज्यूमर मार्केट. इसका मतलब देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ मार्केट. एक जहाँ पे कंज्यूमर के यूज़ की चीज़ें मिलती हो, और दूसरी जहाँ पे इंडस्ट्री के रॉ मटेरियल्स मिलते हो. तो बिना रॉ मटेरियल्स के इंडस्ट्री विल नॉट बी एबल टू मेक देयर गुड्स. सो इंडस्ट्रियल मार्केट विल बी स्मॉल. It can't be in large area because there are consumer market at several places also. So they open market where they can make the availability nearest to the consumer itself. मतलब consumer he can do expansion, but in industry should be near to the industries also, because they can't able to supply their raw materials goods in a very long distance. So industrial and consumer market are the market related matter which affects the distributions method. Next is size of consumer. It means if the size of consumer is less, so distance process will be small. Means distribution process will be small. If the size of consumer you are having in less quantity, then you are having the distribution process in a very small way. But if the size of your consumer is more, then your distribution process will be expand, or it will increase or large. So according to size of consumer, only distribution process is decided. Next is method of purchasing of buyers. देखो there are three types of buyer. एक जो ये चाहता हो कि जितना उसके पास पैसा है उतना ही सामान लेगा, जितना उसके पास नकद वैल्यू ऑफ मनी है वो उतने ही पैसे पे सामान की परचेजिंग करेगा. ये पहले तरीके के बायर हो गए. दूसरे जो पैसे जो है उतना तो लेगा प्लस उधार भी खरीदता है, जिसकी इकोनॉमिक कंडीशंस ठीक हो, पर वो उसी वक्त एट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पेमेंट नहीं कर पा रहा है, लेकिन उसकी इकोनॉमिक पोजीशन ठीक है, बाद में वो पेमेंट कर सकता है, तो वो कुछ पैसे से गुड्स खरीद लेगा प्लस कुछ उधार पे गुड्स खरीद लेगा. और तीसरे वो तरीके के लोग जो केवल उधार पर ही खरीदते हैं. सो दीज आर द मेथड्स ऑफ परचेजिंग ऑफ बायर्स. नेक्स्ट कम्स साइज ऑफ ऑर्डर. मतलब कि जिन गुड्स, जिन प्रोडक्ट, जिन वस्तुओं के ऑर्डर प्रोड्यूसर के पास ज़्यादा हैं, उसका डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन मेथड बड़ा होगा, वितरण माध्यम बड़ा होगा. और जिन वस्तुओं के ऑर्डर, जिन गुड्स के ऑर्डर प्रोड्यूसर के पास कम है, उसका डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन मेथड छोटा होगा. सो दीज आर द मार्केट रिलेटेड मैटर. नेक्स्ट कम्स मीडिएटर रिलेटेड मैटर. अंडर दिस द फर्स्ट इज सर्विसेज, विच मीन्स if the mediator provides more services, doing more facilitations to the word customer, so nobody control the distribution process of being long. But if the services are not good, then nobody can extend the distribution process also. Second comes availability. Those producers who produces the goods for all the public, and if the public likes it, so those goods can't be ignored by the producer. But if the mediator ignores consumer, so their availability is depending on the commissions. Third is chance of sales. Means according to this, only a producer does production of the goods on demand of consumers. If there is high chance, so the medium channel will long. So the medium or we can say channel of distribution will be long. If there is production of goods on the demand of consumers, then their medium channel will be long. But if there is a less chance, then the medium channel will be short. Next comes cost. Fixed cost plus variable cost. By this they find out the break-even point and put the cost and place the cost. So cost plays an important role in the medium, because cost can increase the medium as well. Next is study of policy. Means The policy which is followed by a single mediator or a single producer will be followed by all the producers to select their own medium. Next comes matter related to government. Means the goods which are sold by the government, their cost and the channel of distribution are decided by the government itself. So these are the elements which affects the distributions method. I have explained you each kind of thing in a slow and a explanatory way. So thank you for listening me. In the next video I will discuss about the merchant middleman. Till the time, do like, share and subscribe my channel Manish Kumar Verma, important topics to get all the information regarding BCom. Thank you.